Hello students, welcome back to our CMS online classes and you are with your teacher Rajrandini Raut. Well, I hope that all the chapters you have gone through perfectly, that means clearly, and you have understood it also. And today we are going to start one, that means something new, but not a new story. As you can say that we are going to start today question answer discussion. Okay, question answer discussion of the chapter which I that means I discussed you which chapter, that a gift of chappals, right? This chapter I have discussed with you. So this chapter's question answer we are going to discuss today. Okay, so before that means going to the topic, I just that means request you to remember the story. What was the story was? Okay, see, now I cannot explain the story once again. So, and I thought that it is on your mind, right? So remember the story. We are going to discuss the questions one by one. Okay, so let's go to our topic's first question. Our topic's first question is, what is the secret that Meena shares with Mridu in the backyard? Okay, what is the secret that Meena shares with Mridu in the backyard? Right? This is the question number 1, as you can see on the screen. Okay, so a little bit that means we have in our mind what about the story is that Meena shared what? Meena and Ravi, that means they just pulled to whom? Mridu to the backward for what? To show a kitten, right? So Meena shared the secret that she found a kitten near the gate in the morning, which was now in the that means which was inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand. Right? This is the secret. They just want to hide it from Pati. Right? So Meena shared the secret. As you can see also the answers and write it also. I am discussing only, but your duty is to write the answers and listen to me also. Okay. Meena shared the secret that she had been a kitten in the backyard. Inside a torn football lined with sacking and filled with sand, and they just found it in the morning near the gate. Right? This is our answer of question number 1. Okay, write it correctly. Next we'll go to our question number 2. Question number 2, you can see on the screen that how does Ravi get milk for the kitten? How does Ravi get milk for the kitten? Right? This is our question number 2. Okay. The answer is, as we know, let us remember the story. So, Ravi went to the kitchen to bring the milk. Right? What happened there we have to see. Okay. Ravi went to the kitchen to bring milk for the kitten. But when Ravi took a glass of milk, Pati saw him with the glass of milk, right? Pati saw him with the glass of milk, and Ravi convinced her that he was so hungry. That's why he was taking the glass of milk, right? Before Pati got suspicious, Ravi had to drink most of the milk from the glass, because obviously otherwise Pati will get in doubt that means why or where he was taking the glass of milk, right? This is the that means suspicious thing for Pati. And Ravi, what he did, that he had to drink most of the milk from the glass, right? So and he said, that means he told to Pati, or he said to Pati that he would wash it by himself. He would wash the tumbler by himself, right? So then he ran after saying this. Okay, then he ran and poured the milk. Then he ran to the backyard. Okay, and poured the milk into the coconut shell and ran back to the kitchen room and washed the tumbler. Got all of you? Okay. Again we'll see the answer. Okay, Ravi went to the kitchen to bring a glass of milk. Okay, and when Pati saw him with the glass of milk, he convinced Pati that he was so hungry. Okay, and before Pati got suspicious, Ravi had to drink most of the milk from the glass, and he said to Pati that he would wash the tumbler by himself. Right? Then he ran and poured the milk into the coconut shell and ran back to the kitchen again and washed the tumbler. Okay? So in this way, Ravi got the milk for the kitten. Next we'll go to our question number 3. Okay, as you can see on the screen, our question number 3 is, who does Ravi say the kitten or the kitten's ancestors are? Okay, and do you believe him? This is our question number 3. Okay. See, Ravi explained that the kitten's ancestors was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, right? Ravi explained that this cat is looking like this, and that means the kitten's ancestors was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, which was the emblem of Pallava dynasty. In this way, he explained to them, and he said that it was the descendants of the cat goddess of the Egypt. Okay, this is our answer number 3. As you can see, Ravi said the kitten's ancestors were the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, which was the emblem of Pallava dynasty, and it was the descendants of the cat goddess of Egypt. Okay, this way Ravi explained to them. Okay, this is that means our answer number 3. Next is our question number 4. As you can see, the question number 4 is like a multiple choice. Okay, and the question is, Ravi has a lot to say about MP Punai, and Ravi has a lot to say MP Punai, and this shows what? The options are, you can see, he is merely trying to impress Mridu. His knowledge of history is sound. Okay, point number 3, you can see, he has a rich imagination. Point number 4 is, he is an intelligent child. So these are the 4 points given. Which point is correct? It's not like that you are going to choose one point. Okay, so Ravi has a lot to say about MP Punai. Means what? His knowledge of history is sound, right? He knows the history about the cat. Okay, so point number 2 is the correct answer. Next we'll see, you can see the point number 3. He has a rich imagination. His imagination level is so vast. Okay, so this point number 3 is also correct. So we got 2 points. Point number 2 and 3, they both are correct. His knowledge of history is sound, and his imagination level is, that means, so rich. He has a rich imagination level. Okay, this is our, that means, answer number 4. Next we'll go to our question number 5. Question number 5, as you can see, what was the noise that startled Mridu and frightened Mahendran? What was the noise that startled Mridu, okay, and frightened Mahendran? What was the noise then? Okay, as we know that we have discussed some, that means, screeching sound, right? Okay, the children, that means when Ravi, Mridu and Minu, that means they were discussing about the cat. At that moment there was a sound of screeching. Startled Mridu and frightened Mahendran. Mahendran was the cat. Okay, sound of screeching. Okay, and what was the sound actually? It was the sound of the violin. That Lali was learning in her music class. Or that means, though he was not practicing well, or you can say he was not going, that means in rail. Okay, that means she was going derailing. Okay, So because of that, there was a sound produced which is called as screeching sound, which startled Mridu and frightened Mahendra. Okay, this is our question number 5, and here you can see the answer of question number 5. Okay, as your on that means on your screen. Hope all of you have that means understood the questions. First of all, you have to understood the question, what it is saying or what it is asking to us. Next we'll go to our answer. Okay, and the answers are on your screen. Hope you have written correctly. Okay, so with this we have completed our question answer revise up to question number 5. Okay, of chapter 2, gift of chapels.